Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize TikTok font style and captions. So that's so easy to be done, guys. You just need to follow me step by step. So for me, I will just create a new reel or a new video on TikTok just to show you how you can do it. So I will go into this plus button right here, and you all need to do that. Alright, by tapping on it, you will be able to record or film a video. Either you can take a photo or you can just pick a video from your device's gallery. Alright, so for me, I will take a video right now to set an example. Hi everyone. Okay, after that I want to go right here and scroll down until you can see captions. Tap on it, and right here, alright, so the caption is that one. Okay, what I want to do is to go into a style option right here. It's the double A. Tap on it, and here you can choose any style that you will love to be on your post. So for me, I will go with that one, for example. Okay. So after that, you just need to go and watch the caption how it can be. Alright, and after that, go into this symbol. Okay, and yeah, that's how it will look on your reel or story. So after you're finished, you can go into this icon on the top right corner, which is next. Tap on it, and right here you can finish your post and then tap on post. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.